Guys, if you were wondering if it is possible to be done, it is possible to be done. All at home, in your garage, without a lift, with the engine in the car, with just basic hand tools. First attempt. I'm not a master mechanic. I consider myself like an intermediate mechanic. I'm being careful because I've got these water lines right next to the turbo.
What are you smiling about?
Dude, I almost had you.
You almost had me.
I guess it all comes off in one piece. So here we go. The R600s.
You can't find the right tool in this garage, Mr. Arizona? You don't belong near a car. You're lucky that 100-shot of NOS didn't blow the welds on the intake.
I'm a family man with a budget. I can't afford to pay a shop to do all the labor for me. I have to do it myself. And if you guys like that type of stuff, I hope this video helped you, because there's really no video that I can find in great detail that showed you how to remove turbos.